presently at a train station. I'm going to Manchester. I was invited to a Barbie themed picnic and I look cute. This is basically the first time I'm taking a train and I'm going on my own, so I feel kind of strange. But we're gonna do this, you know. And my train is for 8 o'clock or thereabouts, and it's 7:30. So let's do this, guys. Let's do this.
Even if I would you care, I am sorry. You're my baby, no calling me for no sake. I am not better, say now only you they turn me on. But I know send got my money, make me go find you. Baby, waking so touch my weaky point. Make them throw me on, see me, I go taking so leave them, make them talk, make them talk rumors, so make them throw me on, see me.
The weather is exceptionally cold. Like, I can't even explain. Like, I'm shivering. I had to just stop by and get coffee. Hi. But this rain that is falling now, like, how is it?
No, it's a soup.
Say hi.
It has stopped.
So cute.
No, that's fine. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day. See you too.
And now you did do me right. You're too nice, everything that they see, I go carry them. Now only you pretty from my eyes. Yeah. You watch up I'm all the time. Oko loco, I want your body right beside me. Oko loco, I want your body beside me. Girl, I don't realize, baby girl, say we got speed. I've been thinking about you every time we don't see. Get together, that's got design. Make you carry that big booty, make you put it all on me, on me. All on, love me, and I go there for you for long. Ragaboni, make we no customer ocean. Love me, my lot on me, make we the rock come for long.
We're just getting ready to leave. Got some stuff. I'm exhausted. This Barbie is exhausted. But I'm not going to be taking everything out, but I'll just show you some things. We got like cute donuts, cake slices, pink drink, because you know the vibe. We got chocolates. We got this really cute champagne, because it's pink. I'm waiting for Aisha and Shay for me to get ready. She has not done her makeup. Oh. 1:30 thereabouts, and I just hope we can take nice pictures, because if I don't take nice pictures today, leaving shortly, and I'll be showing you guys the setup when we actually do the setup. It's going to be very, very cute, trust me. It's Barbie vibes. And I'm actually going to see the movie because I've gotten my ticket already, but it's not today. I'm going to film that as well. See you guys shortly.
And I didn't get used to get out for the same time. She wouldn't say you shouldn't feel.
You use one container to style her.
Funny enough. I really wish we were going to the cinema after this, you know.
Oh,
And we look so cute.
Aisha, please do your transition. I beg you in the name of God.
Sorry. I just hope it comes out nice. Like,
why not?
good big girl, you are in front of my camera. Can you come?
They have shot like 100 videos already. I don't exhaust. I don't tire. All my body they pay me. Jesus. Hello, madam, at the back.
Yeah.
You are guilty.
What's she guilty
I
of?
do this once in a while.
Look at the time, so that it's not be like, look as if I'm lying. See the time. See the time. We are still here.
Everybody's just
This is the finished look, and it looks so cute. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. god, I love the pink aesthetics. Everything is nice. We need to just start taking pictures because I don't trust this weather.
Right?
I do not trust this weather.
Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine.
Guys, come here. I'm eating luxury. I'm eating with pride. Aisha is tearing up. They will probably think we're maltreating her because I don't know why she's crying.
So bad.
Sorry.
See, let me tell you guys. I know there's no way you're gonna see my eyes because this Barbie here is really putting me in the vlog, and I don't mind actually. But it teared up really badly. So you guys should just ignore my face. Okay, this is not my real face. But just ignore, okay? On a normal day, tell them.
She's a clean babe.
Tell them, yeah.
She does.
It happens. Shit
Shit
happens.
happens.
So just ignore. All right. She's not as close.
Yeah, but I'm showing a little. She's
Guys.
the
Cheers.
my boobies.
The spirit of buying pink drink. What's it with this?
That's really bitter.
As it tastes very weird. It's
You still need to stand up.
I feel very relaxed
That's
like
also
this.
be doing romantically to the vlog. She be.
Up with them. Hi guys, my lovely people. So this drink tastes very weird. Look at it. So you don't go and buy it.
I say they should not buy it.
Don't buy it
It's
though.
just for aesthetic.
It's for aesthetics. So
It's nonsense.
I like the vibe. Aside from the fact that this breeze, the wind, or the breeze keeps catching my hair, I'm fine. It looks really, really nice.
Hi, chat is still moving.
We have been filming videos back to back. We are not even enjoying the moment. Like I need to.
Let's enjoy the moment.
Let's enjoy the moment. Let's
But she
leave our
picks up her
phones.
camera to
Let's
talk.
leave our gadgets. Why am I not liking this drink?
I mean, it's nice. Me, I actually like it. It's not as bad as we portrayed.
It's
it
not
to
all
be.
that, but then it's okay.
Did you hear Ifeoma? Let's taste the wine.
Alright, God, I need to.
Friend,
I talk to you
do you
guys like we're dating. But it's true. You guys make me blush.
let's taste the wine.
Let's do something romantic.
Oh my God. Please.
Ifeoma.
But we have a romantic relationship, don't we? If we do, comment that, okay? Let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching this video at this point, can you please do the needful?
I swear.
Like,
just
share,
like already.
subscribe.
My news.
Please, guys.
Yeah, so can we do
I
it
really need
together
the
now? Like,
support, okay? You know I love you guys.
Just be friends. I would rather die than
That lady walking over there, she just gave me this flower. She said we look so cute. Like, it's so annoying. I didn't record the reaction.
to say pass me some strawberry. So nice.
Guys, I made it. I made it to my train. God, I thank you. Like, I don't know what I would have done. Like, I really don't know. Because I don't know my way around here. I think this is the last train for today going to Leeds. And if I had missed it. But thankfully, we made it. So I'll be home in like 50 minutes or so. Or 1 hour. My husband will come and pick me up at the train station, hopefully, or I'll find my way home. When I tell you today was hectic, I'm not even joking. Like, we had a whole lot of running around to do, but at the end of the day, we had fun. Just give you the breakdowns by camera goes off. Picnic was supposed to be for 12 o'clock mid-afternoon, 12:01, but we're just getting to the park by 3:30 because we had to like go to like get stuff for the picnic. By the time we were done, it was 3:30 or thereabouts, and we had like limited time in the park and everything. Hold on. So we had like limited time in the park, but we had to just this man just rest. So like I was saying, we had to like, you know, utilize our time there, and we had a nice time at the end of the day. Not done something like this in a very long time, so it felt really nice. And this experience of traveling alone to another city, it's my first time, and I found out that it wasn't even as hectic as I thought, because I was actually scared that I would miss my way and stuff like that, but I actually did not. Made it there safely and sound, and I'm going home now. I'm going to make it home safe and sound. I'm actually very proud of myself, because if I can go to Manchester on my own, then I can go to any other place like there on my own. Guys, I'm growing up. But it's actually very cool. I really had fun, and I hope to do this some other time. Hi guys, so I'm finally going to see Barbie movie, and as you can see, I'm all pinked up with my pink top and my pink slide or my pink headband. So I'm going to meet up with some of my friends there, and then we'll see the movie together. Guys, I'm loving this whole Barbie vibe, because actually on a normal day I would not wear pink, like it's not really my thing, but who said pink does not look good on me? It does, and I feel like after wearing like several pink clothes, I feel like I should really invest in my pink. I look so cute, guys. See you guys soon. We're heading there now, and as usual, my able driver is taking me there. A driver close to my heart. So see you guys soon. Bye. Hi guys, how you guys doing? So this week I've been having like series of like activities, and today I'm going to a friend's place. We're having like girls pasta nights. It is cute and it sounds cute. I think I'm going to vlog, but it all depends on my mood when I get there. If I feel like I would vlog, but hopefully I do. I'm going to be keeping you guys updated. So guys, I'm going to be seeing you guys shortly. My husband is dropping me off. See you guys soon. That was a good thing, I'm not even gonna lie.
Put it all on me. Put it on me. Put it on. Yeah, man. onto your booty, I'm on 9 to 5. Yeah. The lady bad, more her body nice. Some more holy, your love go, my mind 9 to 5. Yeah. When we the fire touch her inside, as already done the boss, I know now all night. Kini motion, I'm talking butterflies. Yeah. Where you this part, girl, I no surprise. So go look, I want your body right beside me. I want your body beside me. Girl, I don't realize, baby girl, say we got speed. I've been thinking about you every time we don't see. Get together, that's God design me. Make you carry that big booty, make you do it on me. All on, love me, and for Port Harcourt, I want to hear that vibe again. That vibe is so. You understand? Give me that vibe what you do for Port Harcourt.
You need to press and bring it up.
I want to hear ram. Give me that vibe what you do for Port Harcourt.
You need to press and bring it up.
I want to hear ram.
Bring it up.